Hi there, welcome to the Miro Distributed 2023 event. I'm Marcos Rezende, a senior UX designer based in Canada. And this section, I'm going to show you how we can improve decision making based on design goals. So let's get started. In this talk, I will simplify and explain the key concepts of the framework that you can use in Miro workshops. But you might be wondering why design goals. So design goals act like a compass, guiding us to the project success and keeping us aligned with the expected outcomes. Clear facts lead to better decisions, and well-defined goals are the key for achieving them. The team must have a clear understanding of all design goals and work on them individually. But before diving into the details of the decision-making framework, the team needs to gather information to ensure everyone is on the same page. That's why it's essential to gather not only design goals, but also understanding who our users are, providing context about the business problem, and reading the instructions available on the Miro template. I will share the framework template in this video. With that said, let's start on exploring the framework. This is a great exercise for any team that has a design stage in their process. It improves the quality of work, offers fresh perspectives on the same challenge from different standpoints, reduce bias, increase the chance of having fact-based projects as well. The team will determine the ideal solution for each design goal. To do this, they will provide feedback considering three main areas: information, design, and technology. In the info stage, it's crucial to deeply understand user needs and desires. This involving gathering relevant information about what users expect. This understanding serves as the foundation for all subsequent decisions. In design, we focus on creating an exceptional user experience. This involves design interactions that are intuitive, efficient, and enjoyable, ensuring that the product meets user expectations. The last one, tech, evaluates functionality. This step is crucial to ensure the product works smoothly. Here we focus on checking technical feasibility before the implementation step. For each design goal, a round will be created. Each team member will have color dots to explain why the proposal layout aligns with the design goal. But remember, it's not just about voting. The goal is to identify the proposal that best meets all requirements, always explaining why. During this stage, the workshop facilitator may be responsible to ensure clear and contextual responses and requesting clarification if necessary. In addressing potential issues, we choose to suggest factors that deserve investigation. These factors include review criteria, design heuristics, cognitive bias, design principles, and much more. Facilitators will confirm the team decisions and avoid individual directions that are out of context. By documenting the decisions they make, the team can smoothly advance through the design process by following a rational approach. So let's demonstrate how this works in practice using the decision-making framework on Miro. To implement the decision-making framework in a workshop format, make sure that you have at least 1 hour from this activity, more than 3 participants to cover the info, design, and tech perspective, a moderator or facilitator that can conduct the workshop, clarifying questions, check the timer, and guarantee that you have a good moment for collaboration. Always, a collaboration exercise is a place that you have no room for fears or judgments in terms of thoughts. On the bottom here, just a couple of questions in each area just to clarify the team about the expectation to evaluate in each field. But of course, depends about the complexity of the project you can adapt. After we have a space to include the design goals, here we have a wireframe ABC and 4 participants. On the bottom here, you can see that we have stick notes and color dots. After this activity, just put the cursor over there to indicating for the moderator that the contribution finished. We have 20 minutes from this activity. This is the second round. We have different wireframe, but it's not a mandatory. You can include in the same wireframe. Just make sure that you have a different design goal. Next, it's time to wrap up. the team need to put together all the advantages and benefits, including potential issues for each proposal and different rounds. The team has 30 minutes to complete. The team will document all valuable ideas, facilitating a comprehensive understanding of the project and analyzing the feedback collected. After the workshop, it's time to evaluate each feedback and decide about iterate, which means restarting a new step of the project, or decide, which means that validate one wireframe and move on. Here's an example on how this could be represented in Miro. Note there is always a numerical reference to the wireframe and the design goal to make the decision clear. The workshop can generate new insights as well as some challenge, so depends about the complexity of the project, and that's fine. But just remember to document everything and share the results with your team. There we go. You now have an understanding of the decision-making framework and how to apply it to collect effective feedback. The Miro template is also available on the Miroverse. You can access directly from this link. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching and see you around. Bye bye.